Welcome to Crack the Logic, where puzzles meet your brain power. Let's dive into 10 challenges that will twist your logic, tease your mind, and train your focus. Puzzle 1. Number series. 3, 6, 12, 24. What comes next? Seems obvious, but is it? You have 10 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. Answer: 48. Explanation: each number is multiplied by 2, so the missing number is 48. Puzzle 2. Letter logic. What comes next in this sequence? A, C, F, J, O. There's a rhythm here. Can you hear it? 10 seconds. Answer: letter U. Each letter jumps forward. If you didn't crack it, don't worry, the next one's waiting. Puzzle 3. Anagram. Rearrange the letters. S, L, P, E, E. It's related to rest. Look closely. The answer might be hiding in plain sight. 10 seconds. Answer: sleep. Every puzzle is a chance to sharpen your brain. Keep going. Puzzle 4. Math trick. What's the missing number? 1 part math, 1 part trick. 10 seconds. Answer: 3. 7 times 4 is 28. 31 minus 28 equals 3. Got it or not? You're doing great. Puzzle 5. Sequence challenge. 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. What's next? It's growing, but how fast? 10 seconds. Answer: 42. The gaps increase by 2 each time. Plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, and so on. Think you missed it? Let's move on and try again. Puzzle 6. Word riddle. What 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters? Sometimes thinking small gives the big answer. 10 seconds. Answer: short. Add R and it becomes shorter. No pressure, it's all about having fun and thinking smart. Puzzle 7. Logical reasoning. Some months have 30 days, some 31. How many have 28? You might be overthinking this one. 10 seconds. Answer: 12. All months have at least 28 days. Don't give up. The next challenge might be yours. Puzzle 8. Math riddle. 1 is equal to 5. 2 is equal to 25. 3 is equal to 325. 4 is equal to 4,325. Then 5 equals what? The trick is hidden in plain sight. 10 seconds. Answer: 1. 'Cause the first line says 1 equals 5, it's a trick. Keep that brain working, you're doing awesome. Puzzle 9. Clock logic. At what time do the hour and minute hands overlap between 1 and 2 o'clock? Tick-tock, logic is your best tool. 10 seconds. Answer: 1:05. Chower, the hands overlap once. The hands overlap approximately 5 minutes and 27 seconds after 1 o'clock. So the closest rounded answer is 1:05. Even time puzzles can throw us off. You're still on track. Puzzle 10. Classic riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? Think outside the body. 10 seconds. Answer: an echo. Final round complete. Whether you nailed it or not, you just exercised your mind like a pro. Thanks for watching. How many did you solve? Let us know in the comments. Want more brain teasers? Tap on one of the videos on the screen and challenge your mind. And don't forget to subscribe for more logic, puzzles, and fun. See you in the next one.